Welcome followers of Formula Moto. Today we continue our video series by learning how to check the oil level on your motorcycle. Today we're going to use the Raya Mustang 125 cc's that uses a dipstick to check the oil level. As you can see, we're using the center stand. This is not ideal. To achieve a precise reading, both wheels should be on the ground and someone should hold the motorcycle while the oil is checked. Remember that before you check the oil level, the engine should be warmed up to operating temperature. To check the oil level, take out the dipstick and clean it with a towel. Now we put the dipstick back in and take it out. We can see that the oil is at the max line. The oil should always be within the min line, which is the bottom of the dipstick, and the max. It is very important that the oil is between the two lines. Both having too much oil or too little can cause mechanical problems. Another system to check the oil is the bullseye. This system makes it very easy to check before you ride. Just moving the motorcycle and looking at the bullseye lets you know if the oil is at the correct level. Other motorcycles, mostly 2-strokes, have an oil level screw. This is just a screw that is mounted directly above where the oil level should be. When you have the right amount of oil, you will see it on the threads.